guys, welcome back to my channel. It is that time of year again where I need to go through underneath my bed and through my closet. Oh my gosh. I swear I am doing something like this like every 4 or 5 months. It needs to get done. It needs to happen. So here I am again for another video. I actually haven't cleaned underneath my bed since I made that first video of like cleaning and rearranging underneath my bed. So it has gotten a little messy under there, just mostly with the bins that are kind of like my junk bins of stuff that I want to keep but I don't usually reach for. That's really the only messy thing under there, but I also need to go through the bins with my K-pop albums because I need to downsize my K-pop collection. I have so many K-pop albums. Like, I don't know if you guys saw my video of me reorganizing my shelves last year. The amount of albums that I had on my bed once I took everything off of my shelves was literally insane. Like, obviously it's fine if that is what your collection is, but personally for me at this point of my K-pop collecting journey, that is just too much for me. I don't even have like most of my albums on display, so I don't really see the point of keeping a lot of them. The groups I'm really collecting nowadays are Stray Kids, ZV1, NCT, and Team IVE, Promise 9, but I literally only have one Promise 9 album. Those are like the main groups I've been focusing on recently. Besides underneath my bed, I also have to go through my closet again because I have too many clothes. I have too many clothes, guys. Really, that's not a problem, but when you have my closet size and you are a K-pop fan, you run out of space because, like you guys have probably seen, unless you're new here. Also, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Love to see you here. I have a shelf in my closet that is for K-pop stuff and then some clothes, but it literally has mostly K-pop stuff on it. And that limits how many clothes I can have on my rack. So I think it is just time to go through all of this. I only have 2 days to do this, so hopefully I can get it done. Hopefully I can just get it done today. It's currently like 1 p.m. My goal is to get this done before I go to bed at midnight because that is my bedtime I have set for myself. But you know, who knows? We shall see. We shall see what I can get done. Probably going to be starting off with my closet because that seems like the easiest thing to do because I kind of know what I want to do with that. Like, I have an idea of what clothes I need to get rid of. And my plan for that is if I haven't worn them in the past year or I can't see myself wearing it in the next year, it needs to go. Let's get into cleaning my closet. Okay, you guys, you know the drill. This is what we have going on in my closet. As you can tell, it is a mess. From literally top to the very bottom, it is a mess. So this is what I'm going to be cleaning today, and then I'm also going to be doing that once I'm done with this. What I'm thinking I'm going to do is I'm going to take all these clothes out of here, put them on my bed, go through them, sort what I'm going to keep, and then while these are on my bed, clear out down here, clean all this, just clean everything up so then like it's not feeling as crowded. Also, sorry, I'm recording with my left hand, which I normally don't do, so it's a little wonky. But once these are out, clean up everything else, and then the last thing I will get to are the bins because that's just a whole nother story. And I swear my bins try to kill me whenever I deal with them because they are heavy, full of clothes. So I think that is what I'm going to do. I'm gonna blast my music, I'm gonna get started, I'm gonna get going. Had a little like moment there dancing to the whole song of All My Poetry by Close Your Eyes. That song is too good. If you guys haven't listened to All My Poetry, go listen to it. But I cleared out all the clothes up here. Now I'm going to literally clear out this whole section of plushies and sweep and then mop in here real quick, and then I will slowly start putting stuff back in. Okay, I got everything cleared out of this area. I have these for right here for right now, but this is the current state of my room. It's really messy. Here's Yuna. I'm gonna let the closet dry out and then I will get back to it once the floors are dry. Now I'm on the ground because I'm going to go through these 3 binders right here. Not my Stray Kids or NCT. I'm keeping my Stray Kids and NCT collection. Duh, obviously. But I'm going to go through my like random group, my Twice, and then my inclusion binder because I'm going to my friend Enha's event. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for that. I want to try and trade as many photo cards of mine as I can. I'm also trying to downsize my collection because, as you guys have probably seen, I have a lot of photo cards. Like, I have these 2 little white bins that I got recently. They're both full of photo cards. One is full of just Stray Kids, I believe. The other is full of like ZB1, Yujin, and then random ones. So I really just need to go through my binders, through my photo cards. I will go through those as well to see what duplicates I have and what I can get rid of. Just reorganized this area. Those are my socks, some shorts, my ZB1 shelf with Antiem, of course, and then my photo card binder. These are all the cards that I got from going through the binders, and then also the little bins I have. And then these are the inclusions I'm going to get rid of. This is such a mess in here, but now I'm gonna start moving stuff slowly back in here. It's currently like 5 and this is all I've done, and I've been going since 1, but it's because like I went through the freebies. I've had to move everything. I took a little bit of a break and it just takes as long as it takes, but I will get this done hopefully within the next hour or 2 so then I can do underneath my bed before tonight. Just went and took a little dinner break, so my lipstick is no longer on my face, but I got the drawers moved back in here and they're all organized like you guys saw. Now I just need to start bringing in, I think, the plushies I'm going to do next, and then I'll start bringing in everything else after that. Okay, you guys, it has been some time since I last filmed. Maybe that's a bit dramatic, I don't know, but my phone was running out of storage, so I couldn't record me doing this, but I think I recorded this. I put all the plushies back in. It looks less crowded somehow, even though there's literally the same amount of plushies. I reorganized this and it still kind of looks a mess, but trust, it is organized. In here are photo card holders, more photo card holders here, top loaders, keychains in this makeup bag, and that's organized. And then everything, this can't be changed because that's just the setup I have to have. And then same with that. But now I'm gonna go through my clothes. I'll try and record some of that, but if my phone runs out of storage, then I don't know, we shall see. But I'm gonna go through my clothes and then get everything put back in. And I did clean up my room a little bit. I got a garbage bag for all the garbage. Finally, it was just on my floor. But I'm gonna go put my clothes back in my closet and then I'll see you when I am done doing so. so I got a majority of my clothes moved back in here. I didn't put some back in here because I want to put them in different places, and then I'm also gonna get rid of some. But now I'm gonna go through my bins again and get rid of most of everything that is in them, because I don't wear it and I need room for stuff I am gonna wear. And if there's room for any of these shirts, then I'm going to put those in there, because there are some shirts here that I want to keep just in case. It is now the next day. I did finish my closet for the most part. I'll show you guys it here in a second, but it's now the next day because I did not finish doing everything that I needed to do in time. So today is going to be a busy day. I have so much to do today, and I did get started a little bit later today. It's like 2 right now, 2:30ish, because I accidentally slept in. Like, I slept through my alarm. I don't even know how that happened, but let me show you what my closet looks like after I cleaned it. I think it looks really nice. And then I gotta deal with this whole situation, and also I still have no bedding on my bed because I just decided to sleep with my little blankets and get my pillowcases out of the dryer. I didn't feel like putting my bed together last night, so I worked with these little blankets. So yeah, let me show you what my closet looks like. This is what it looks like. It looks so much nicer. Like, the clothes aren't piling at the top there. Like, yeah, they stick out a little bit, but that's fine. That's whatever. I don't really care. This is all organized. Over here we got photo card holders and keychains. My shelf, the floor is cleared out. Everything looks beautiful. I'm very happy with how this looks. It's so much cleaner than it was yesterday, and I love that. That is all I have for today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, even though it's not what I thought it was going to be, like the closet and underneath my bed. But trust, I will get to cleaning underneath my bed, hopefully in the near future. So just keep an eye out for that video on my channel. I'm so happy with the way that my closet turned out. I think it looks so much better than what we started with at the beginning of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked today's video, make sure to like and subscribe so you can see more content like this. Comment down below if you like these room transformation videos, because if you guys do, then I have a few lined up for you guys if you guys continue to enjoy these. But like I said, that's all I have for today, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, lovelies.